Old versus new. The old GQ versus Fortuna. I thought the GQ actually went really well. Yes, it does have a bigger lift, has bigger tyres, but it's all unlocked. So it's definitely a different driving style. The Fortuna's got 32s, locked, 3-inch lift, you say?
Yeah, about right.
About 3-inch. Did all the same tracks. We did do a few different lines, but at the end of the day, they both got to the same destination. I think GQs, for the money I've paid for it, owing me under $6,000, it's gone pretty well.
Yeah, for a $6,000 rig, it is impressive. One thing I did notice is when I'm locking diffs and lifting wheels, this thing's just stretching out and flexing through
Straight
it.
through.
Like, you can see the differences in it. Like, the technology is the only thing that keeps the Fortuna going. Like,
Yeah.
The smarts, like, even like without the diff, like traction control and all that sort of crap in low range, that kept me going. Whereas you just stretch through it. So it was very, very different.
The momentum, yeah. The 35s, I'm definitely stoked that I went them. They've definitely just given it that edge to get up some of the trickier stuff. But realistically, old technology, and it's still going. It still does well. I now see why a lot of people go to the older cars. I still can't discredit the new cars because even with the nav, they're a lot nicer to drive. There's no way about it. A lot nicer. Like simple things just do break on this, but at the end of the day, it does it easy. It crawls this hard stuff quite well.
I guess another thing is you're not scared to give it a bit more in places as well. Like, I know that I sort of think twice before I put my foot down, whereas with this, it just looked like you put your foot down instead of thinking about it.
Yeah, exactly. There's a big difference between $6,000 and $50,000.
Yeah.
So there you have it, guys. Just a little test that we did. Caleb from Happy Go Travel, Matt from 40 Sessions Australia. We'll see you out in the bush.